Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we need to talk about a product I've been seeing advertised a lot. Cvioert Dentures. They promise instant, perfect fitting dentures with no dentist needed, all for just $39. Sounds too good to be true, right? So let's answer the big question. Is Cvioert Dentures legit or is it a scam? The answer is very clear. First, let's look at the claims. The website says the dentures install in 1 second, fit any mouth, solve major dental problems, and require no glue or professional help. These are massive red flags. Proper dental solutions are medical devices and require professional fitting. The most damning evidence comes from the website Safety Check. Using Scam Advisor, the site cvi.com gets a trust score of 1 out of 100, labeled very likely unsafe. Here's why. The domain is less than 10 months old. Scam sites appear quickly. It has almost no web traffic. Security filters have flagged it as malicious. Negative reviews link it to scam behavior. This is one of the worst safety scores I've ever seen. This is not a legitimate business. Here's what likely happens if you buy. They either send you a worthless, ill-fitting piece of plastic, or they send nothing at all and steal your payment information. Please listen. Your oral health is too important. If you're having dental issues, the only safe path is to see a licensed dentist or dental professional. There is no magical, one-size-fits-all denture solution you can buy online. Have you seen these ads or similar ones? Let everyone know in the comments so we can spread the word and protect people. If this warning helped you or someone you know avoid a dangerous scam, like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews that keep you safe online. Thanks for watching, and please shop smart and protect your health.